Hi everyone, it's Christy, and I've been given a challenge, or rather, somebody said that I probably couldn't do a video under 5 minutes, and it's just not my thing, and that's okay. So I took it as a challenge. So I'm going to do these really quick videos on makeup tips in a flash. So I want to start with the eyebrows because a lot of women are confused about the eyebrows, and eyebrows are such a huge thing right now. And instead of following with the trend, what I really want to do is encourage you to follow your own shape of your brow and not try and create something that isn't there. So I have lost actually quite a bit of hair on the outer corners. This happens when we get older. I'm going to use the Beauty Counter eyebrow pencil, and this one is in medium. What the biggest mistake that women do is they start from the center and they build up this area before they go out here. That's not where we lose our brows, our hair, is we lose it on the outside. So start where the arch is, and that's where you're creating the shape. The shape, actually, the sharp should go on the outside of the eyeball, and that point right there is where the arch starts. And so you're going to want to fill in very lightly. And I love our eyebrow pencil because it actually places color and it doesn't budge. It's dry enough but creamy enough to actually put on, and you can already see it's giving me this nice shape, and I can go in and fill it anywhere else if I need. And we've got a great shape, and then there's a brush on the end, and that's it. So on the opposite end, and no two brows are the same. They are always slightly different. I've got more hair to fill in up here, a little bit up here. Don't make a big deal about these brows. Just find a good shape. Now, if you don't already have, I already have a shape in my brows. I tend to have a huge arch right there. I want to blend that a little bit and brush it. If you don't know, if you don't have a good shape on your brows, if you have that paisley brow where it's just like a ball here and a squiggly up here, or it's just thick or unruly, go to somebody that can either thread or shape your brows first, and make sure that you give pictures, you let them know that you don't want it really skinny, that you want it to just be a natural brow. Then all you have to do is fill in with a brow pencil. You can also use a powder. Now this is a powder that I've been using for a long time. I'm actually preferring using the Beauty Counter pencil. It's a powder eyeshadow from Color Caramel. You're going to want a shaped brow brush, an angled brush, and ever so lightly the same concept. For Beauty Counter, go ahead and the link is down below, and you can order that from me. It comes in light, medium, and dark. It's a great pencil. It gives good color without smudging, but it blends beautifully. So that's it. That's all you need for a brows. And I did it in under 4 minutes. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. I'm also in the Art of Beauty on Facebook in a private group, so join me there, and many blessings on your brows.